Uh, Hey guys, welcome back to Call of Cubes. So in this video, I'm going to attempt solving a 3x3 Rubik's Cube one-handed. So we'll also time the solve, ting, and that too, I'm going to do the solve with the official 3x3 one-handed world record done by Max Part. And let's get started. Hope this will be fun. Alright guys, here we have the scramble done on white top, green front and red. So please give me 15 seconds for my inspection time so that I'll be easily getting ready for my solve. So until I inspect for the 15 seconds, you can watch the world record. And here we go. Alright guys, so I just forgot to that I was about to do with two hands, but this is a one hand challenge. And let's get 1, 2, 3 and go. So I making the white cross, orange is done. Oops. Cool. Oh my god. So it's very fun fact. Okay, so I'm still, what happens if a corner piece was twisted during a solve? Are they allowed to make any changes? You can just take a look at it. Okay, I'm doing F12 now, these two pairs. Okay, the time may be like 30 seconds now. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to Call of Cubes, because we are every single day we are reaching closer and closer to 100 subscribers. My hand's paining. Imagine if a cube is weighing more than 100 grams, this hand will be like okay, so here I am gone. So no, it's not allowed. Okay, so hope that I'll get a mega. Alright guys, this was the reason why I wrote attempting to solve 3x3 one-handed. So okay, so I'm not allowed to do that. Only use one-handed. You can watch that funny videos. Okay, so here we have oil. So I'm trying to make the yellow cross. Okay, so now I know this algorithm, but I'm going to do like beginner's method so that it will be easy to complete across. Oh my god, look at that, my cube is very damaged. Oh my god, I'm really fast. Okay, so did I just scramble the cube? Oh my god, this all is really everywhere. How do we do one-handed? Oh my gosh. Maybe I'll start one-handed. Okay, so here we have a very easy peasy oil. So I'll try to make it using oil itself. Soon. Okay, up. Up, down. No. Please. Yeah. Oh my god. This is a J-Perm. Oh my god, I like J-Perm's video. So we'll pray for, okay, so this is, so we'll pray for a full complete solve. So let's do that. Okay, and F reverse. Are you done? Let's pray for that. What should I do now? Okay, so I'll just complete the pair. Alright guys, so thanks for watching guys. It's Call of Cubes signing off. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to Call of Cubes. Until then, bye. Hope you like this video. Bye. That's my cube.